In this tutorial, you'll learn how to purchase a license to join the Ultima Cashback program. First, log into your personal account on the Ultima Cashback website. At the bottom of the dashboard, you'll find available packages that include crypto debit cards and licenses. These packages are located in the Cashback Licenses plus Card tab. Additionally, you can find separate licenses in the Cashback Licenses tab. Select a license and click the Upgrade button. This will redirect you to the payment page. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the instructions provided on the screen. Alternatively, you can also purchase a license by clicking the Increase License button located on the main dashboard widget. Once the license is purchased, you will see it in the License Keys section. Now it's time to activate it. Just find the purchased license and click the Activate button. If you want to review your activation history, you can navigate to the Activation History tab. You can also activate license keys in the Activation section, which is next in the menu. If you still have any questions, you can always address them to our support team.